Hey guys, Liv Langdon here, and I'm with my friend Zach Rocheleau of the Flexible Dieting Lifestyle, and he's here to show us yet another one of his amazing creations.
Yep, so today we're gonna be making some keto pepperoni pizzas. Just think about that one for a second. When most people go keto, pizza's off limits. No longer. You can have it on a daily basis, and I'm gonna teach you step by step with Liv on how to create this epic keto pepperoni pizza.
Woo!
So, you ready?
Let's get started.
And before we start making the recipe, make sure to preheat your oven on 450 degrees Fahrenheit in order to have it preheated once our dough is actually ready to be cooked. All right, so the first thing you're gonna need to do is add your pizza cheese. We got this from Whole Foods, organic pizza cheese, and your full-fat organic ricotta. And you're gonna add them into a bowl together. And what we're gonna need to do in order to combine them, we're going to put them in the microwave for 30 seconds. All right, so now our cheese and ricotta mixture is fresh out of the microwave. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna mix it together. This base makes your pizza smell unbelievable. So now we're gonna add our egg to this mixture. Just continue to combine that in.
So this is our crust?
This is gonna be part of our base. This is the liquid part of our base.
Wow, interesting.
We're gonna add our half of our flour. So what I did right here is I took our almond flour, coconut flour, and our baking powder and added it all here and mixed it together. And that's gonna ensure it doesn't clump. And then we're gonna add that to our mixture here. We're gonna add half of it. So you're gonna see once you mix it together, starting to come together. Now we're gonna add the rest of it. And remember, this isn't gonna come together like a regular pizza dough. It's gonna be a little bit more wet and pasty than a regular dough. So this is done. Now we have to set up our pan to add this on top. All right, so once our dough is done, we're gonna take our pizza pans, add our parchment paper on top, because this is gonna be different than a regular pizza. We're gonna need the parchment paper to make sure it doesn't stick. So in order to get our parchment paper to stay, what I like to do is I'll take some cooking spray, just spray the bottom.
Awesome.
Yeah, and
I've
then
never done this.
You just press it down on the pan. We have a bowl full of water right here that we're gonna use to actually make sure our fingers don't stick to the dough whenever we add it to the pan. We're gonna do it, so see how it comes out nice and easy like that. You're gonna add your dough. And you can use your spoon at first. So now, once we've spread out a good bit, now we're gonna put our fingers in our water. And what this is gonna do is actually kind of hydrate the crust too. But before we put it in the oven, I need to grab a fork. So what's gonna happen is when you actually make this and put it in the oven, it's gonna wanna bubble up if you don't put holes in it. So we're gonna take our fork. All right, so now this is gonna go in the oven for about, it varies a lot because of oven's temperature. So between 10 and 15 minutes, you're gonna notice the crust is gonna golden. You're gonna see golden spots on the top. That's when you're gonna know it's ready. All right, so the pizzas are now out of the oven. The smell is ridiculous. So now we're gonna add our marinara sauce on top. And this is gonna vary based on how much you wanna have. I just say err on the side of caution with how much that you add, because you don't wanna create anything that's soggy.
Do you go all the way to the ends there?
I go a little bit close, really close to the edge. Okay, so now we're gonna add
Our cheese?
our cheese, yeah.
Okay.
And this cheese is the pizza cheese from Whole Foods. It is the best. So now we're gonna add our pepperoni. So we have some of these Applegate uncured pork beef pepperonis. So now we're gonna put this in the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes to golden, and then 1 minute on broil based on how your crust looks. And If it's already golden, like it's becoming golden, don't worry about broiling. But if it's not, then you can, it's just a power. I think this oven's gonna be pretty powerful enough to be able to do that.
Extra spicy.
Extra.
Okay, so we throw it in the broiler for a minute. Got
Yep.
nice and crispy on the outside. It looks like a legitimate happy pizza.
Yes, yours is very, very happy.
Yes, it is.
All right, so we're just going to slice it up.
Okay, cheers, let's take a bite.
Boom.
Oh.
I mean, there's no denying this. This is like really good.
Thank you so much for showing me this incredible recipe. I am for sure gonna go look for all of your pizza recipe book on your website, correct? Which
Yep.
is?
It's flexibledietinglifestyle.com, but I say the best place to find me is by going on Instagram and searching The Flexible Dieting Lifestyle, and come say what's up. I see all my DMs. We get a ton of them, but I would love to hear from you guys. So if you see this and you come from Onnit, just let me know, and we'll have a chat, and then I'll welcome you to the community. So
For sure, and if you make this recipe or any of our recipes, make sure to hashtag #GetOnIt and tag us in the photo so we can see it, and also tag Zach too.
Just let me know. Just let me know. This is keto pizza. This is pizza that you can enjoy guilt-free and you can stay on track. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and thank you, Liv, and thank you, Onnit. And hopefully we can do this again soon.
Yeah, see you guys next time.